it work. Blow the bridges, cut off the Cloud's forces. Easy. But Mr. Cobblepot, we're stuck too! So, we can't get back. And your point is? Well, it's just, you've left us over here with the Joker's crew. Try and take some of them down before you die, son.
That man's here!
You bastard!
Get over here, Bat! Or are you scared?
We have visual on the explosion. Thermal scans show multiple detonation points. Over. Roger that, 83. It appears that Mr. Cobblepot has made his move. Leave them to it. It will be interesting to witness how things progress as we approach Protocol 10. Affirmative. AT-3, continue your patrol. Out.
Sounded bad.
Yeah, like a bomb going off. Maybe someone was trying to cut off access to this part of town.
Must have been Penguin.
Maybe.
It's Batman! Looks like Penguin's stepping up security.
Museum is like a fortress already.
True. I guess the Bat...
Protocol 10 will commence in 7 hours.
That's funny. I never figured you as a comedian. What's funny? You know, penguin, chicken. They're both birds.
You're both idiots. Now shut up.
Let...
Batman! It's Batman! Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Really think Batman will come here?
Maybe. Look out! Chicken!
What's wrong? You too scared to fight?
Come on! What are you waiting for?
Hey, you chicken man or Batman? Oh, you scared to fight?
Run!
You find it. Chicken? Come and fight me. I always knew you were chicken.
This is Penguin's turf, you freak. I'm gonna cut you up into tiny pieces for breaking in here.
Must be searched as part of our ongoing commitment to keep you safe and protect the unique collection we have on display. All visitors should be sure to check out our latest attraction, Dangers from the Deep, in the Aquatic Observation Chamber. Visitors with a particular concession Iceberg Lounge. Welcome to the Cyrus Pinckney Natural History Institute. All visitors must be searched as part of our ongoing commitment to keep you safe and protect the unique collection we have on display. All visitors should be sure to check out our latest attraction, Dangers from the Deep, in the Aquatic Observation Center. All visitors with a valid ticket or concession card can enjoy a discount at the nearby world-famous Iceberg Lounge.
I don't think I want you breaking into my little home, Batman.
Something's blocking communication back to the Batcave. Penguin must be using military-grade communication disruptors. The only way to crack this security is to destroy them.
Natural History Institute. All visitors must be searched as part of our ongoing commitment to keep you safe and protect the unique collection we have on display.
How does this thing work, anyway? All you need to know is Penguin wants this thing powered up.
While it's working, no one in this...
The freaking man!
The jamming tower has 3 terminals attached. I'll need to destroy all 3 to shut it down. One jammer down. I should look for more.
What's going on out there? One of the jammer signals disappeared. Sorry, Mr. Cobblepot. I don't know. We'll find out. And all you do is make sure the other jammer's safe, or I'll find you and I'll stick with you.
Batman! It's Batman!
Used to play down this way when I was a kid. The place hasn't really changed much. Did you hear that Bruce Wayne had been brought in here? Is it working?
According to the log, all wave frequencies are being suppressed.
The entire site is radio secure.
Nice. Where does Cobblepot get military-grade kit like this from?
He's a collector. He's got things you've never heard of in that museum. Crazy stuff.
Like what?
No way, man. First thing you learn about Cobblepot, keep your mouth shut.
Don't leave me hanging.
It's the Bat!
I'm one man down. That's not good, is it? Still, I'm sure the rest of you will do your best not to disappoint me. Batman's done something to the jammers up top. Where are the rest of you idiots? We've only just managed to get below ground. Just set it up wherever you are. Do it now. Yes, sir, Mr. Cobblepot.
The signal's blocked again. Sounds like Penguin's final jammer was activated somewhere underneath Arkham City.
Batman, come here. Think we already locked up? Not the way I wanted to go. Buried in a big communal grave. What the hell were they carrying?
Penguin sent him down underground to set up another comms disruptor. I guess he's still trying to screw with Batman.
Every time Penguin powers up those things, my cell stops working.
Of course it does. It blocks all communication. The clue was in the name.
Yeah, I get it. I'm just...
Huh?
What?
Penguin sounded pissed.
Batman's been screwing with his plans.
Spread out. Find this son of a bitch. Got it?
I'm telling you, it's him.
It can't be.
It is. Look again. He looks big, right? He's gray.
This poster's gotta be over 100 years old. How can it be this... Bat's here!
Batman's on the way.
Good. I always wanted a chance to go up against that freak. But I thought he wanted us to drag this thing over to the Joker.
He did. I guess Batman's made him change his plans.
Who cares? Kill Batman, drag this thing to Joker, turn it on, and go back to Cobblepot as heroes. What? Just like that? Kill Batman? Yeah, I'm not scared. He's nothing. Just some idiot in a costume. He's nothing.
Came from over here, I'm sure of it.
Where the hell are you?
Stop him! He's making you look like a bunch of girls.
What's going on here? I thought we were in charge.
Are you mucking me about? Fight him!
You heard the Penguin? Move it! Over here! Now! I found someone! Hey, wake up, man. Come on, wake up! That's it. We're screwed. What the hell are we gonna do now? What's wrong? You too scared to show yourself?
I've lost one of you idiots. Let's end it there.
You heard what the Penguin said, right? Oh, God. Everyone, get your asses over here now! Oh, no. Oh, God, wake up! Huh?
That was the last jammer. I should be able to get into the museum now.
What the hell is happening down there? Hello? Is someone gonna answer me? I'll give you one simple task. Stick up a couple of freaking machines. And what? You couldn't even
That was one of the Titan containers Joker had back at Arkham Asylum. What is it doing here?
I hope you're lying there, desperately trying to breathe through fractured ribs and punctured lungs. And if you're not, oh, you better summon up whatever strength you've got left and run. Because after I'm done with the bat, you're all next.
Batman couldn't get past the jammers.
I did. It's the freaking man!
You may want to... This is good.
Welcome to the Cyrus Pinkley Natural History Institute. All visitors must be searched as part of our ongoing commitment to keep you safe and protect the unique collection we have on display. All visitors should be sure to check out our latest attraction, Dangers from the Deep, in the Aquatic Observation Chamber.
He's wearing body armor. I'll need to unleash a series of quick, focused attacks to penetrate his defenses.
5 million years ago.
Go to hell. I said I'm not telling you nothing.
It's the freaking man!
There's something strange about that prisoner. I should talk to him, find out what's going on. You're safe for now.
Thank God.
You may want to hold off on thanking him until after you've answered my question. Who are you?
Sorry, man. I'm a cop. Gordon sent us in here. I'm from the 13th Precinct, part of the strike team. Been in here since the beginning.
If Gordon sent you, you'll know the code.
Oh, yeah. He said, oh, man, what was it?
The code. Now.
It's Sarah. He said to tell you the code is Sarah.
You're safe, officer.
It's Jones, Batman. Elvis Jones.
Gordon always said he planned on sending your team in.
Yeah, he wanted to know what was going on in here. I guess we found out. There were 10 of us. Hopefully, there still are.
I told Gordon it was too dangerous to send you in. Stay here. If the rest of your team is alive, I'll find them. I could use a remote-controlled batarang to trigger switches that are out of reach.
I wouldn't do that if I was you. Show them what we got. So, Batman, you here for the cops, the Iceman, or me?
I was only here for Freeze and the hostages. But now, I'm taking you down too.
Ooh, aren't you scary?
You're about to find out.
Am I really? Listen, I'm what you might call a collector. If someone wants it, I like to think I've got it. And if I don't have it, I'll get it. So here's the thing. Back there, I've got a cabinet with your name on it, just waiting to be filled. And, as luck would have it, here you are, standing just where I want you. So, what do you think? Are you gonna be a good boy and give up nicely?
You're not giving orders here anymore, Cobblepot.
I was hoping you'd say that. Look around you. This horrible bunch of psychopaths are all begging to join up with me. But unfortunately for them, I only take the best. And today, best means whoever can kill you. Come on out, lads. It's initiation time. Kill him!
Your mother won't recognize you when we're finished with you.
You weren't supposed to do that, Batman. You're forcing me to bring out the big guns. Oh, he doesn't look happy to see you, Batman. Good luck.
I found Penguin.
And Mr. Freeze, have you located the cure yet?
Not yet. The situation is worse than I thought. Penguin has a supply of the Titan formula.
He's got what? How do you get Titan off Arkham Island? What's going on here? Your suit's bio readings are spiking.
Nice of you to join us, Oracle. Alfred, bring Barbara up to speed.
Of course.
But...
I'll be in touch.
Stay where I can see you, Batman. You wouldn't believe the fight the old snowman put up. Still, I got what I wanted. That's all that matters. Hold still, boy.
No! No!
When you're done in here, feel free to join me in the Iceberg Lounge so I can kick your ass again. Enjoy the copsicle.
Over here, please.
The ice looks unstable. I need to move slowly, take my time.
Please. Help me.
Hold on.
You should be safe here.
Thank you.
Are you from the 13th Precinct? Where's the rest of your team?
There are 2 more guys in this room. Penguin froze them up, then went after me. I ran and... well, I guess you saw what happened.
I'll get them. You wait here and try to warm up.
Sorry, Batman. Did I forget to mention my little friend down there? Me, Tiny. Who'd have thought a big fish could be so useful? Not me, that's for sure. He's like a mobile garbage
Please!
truck. Whatever I drop in that tank just vanishes. Poof. Problem gone.
The undercover cops need my help. If I leave them in the ice, they'll freeze to death.
Someone...
Where did Penguin get that gun?
He stole it from Mr. Freeze. I'm getting it back.
I need help, please!
Stay here for now.
No problem, sir. There are more of us.
If they're still alive, I'll find them. They're using thermal imaging headsets. Anyone wearing them will be able to spot me hiding up in the darkness.
No worries, Mr. Cobblepot. We've got it covered. Freeze's suit is in the case. I'm looking at it now.
You better, son. Batman's on the way, and the last time I saw him, he